Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix text notification not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So how to fix this issue? First of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos, so do not waste any time. First of all, you have turn on and off 2 or 3 times flight mode. So then you have opened the setting and then you have turn on and off 2 or 3 times flight mode. Then second solution, you have do not disturb mode turn off. So you have opened the setting and then you have click on focus, click on do not disturb mode. You have turned off. I have already turned off. Then second method, you have how to disable do not disturb mode. So you have opened the control center, click on focus, click on do not disturb mode, turn on and then turn off on your iPhone. Then third solution, you have restart your iPhone. So you have press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait, then your mobile is restart, then your problem will be fixed. Then fourth solution, you have reset our settings. So you have opened the setting and then you have scroll up, then you have click on general. So you have scroll up, then you have click on transfer or reset, then you have click on reset our setting. iPhone, enter a passcode, then you have enter a passcode. Do not lose any data on your iPhone, only reset our setting on your iPhone. Then another solution, you have update iOS latest version. So you have opened the setting and then you have click on general, click on software update. iOS latest version on your iPhone available, so you must be update on your iPhone. Then you have check alerts tune. So you have again open the setting, click on sound and haptics. So then you have click on text tune. So you have click on text tune and then you have if the alert tab is set to none. I have already a note, so you have click on none and then you have select in this option on your iPhone, then your problem will be fixed and 100% working on your iPhone. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.